Hello everyone, this is Sal D'Alia for Adorama, and this is an hands-on video on the Godox Virso SM2. The Godox Virso SM2 is a wireless audio system, and the best feature as a Sony user is that it works with the MI shoe on the Sony cameras. So you don't need cables that go from the microphone directly into the camera to record. This is the latest generation of wireless system. They're small, compact, easy to use, and with long battery life. Here we are in the noisy Adorama store in the new event space, and I'm using one of the two transmitters with the lavalier microphone. You can hear me, with the microphone a little bit closer or with the microphone right on my chest. To test out the quality of these microphones, I'm gonna show you a little bit how's the audio on camera. So this is the in-camera audio. You can probably hear the AC, people in the background, a lot of noise. And here I'm back on the lavalier microphone. You can hear that there is a big difference in quality, but also noise canceling. On the receiver, I turn on noise canceling, and I think it's doing a pretty good job. To test out a noise canceling, this is actually with the noise canceling off. And you can hear that there is a difference between noise canceling on and off, especially with the AC in the background. And here we're back on with the noise canceling. So it's a pretty good feature that you have on the receiver. One of the great things with this system is that it comes with two lavalier microphones, but you can also take away the lavalier and use this directly as a microphone. You can hear that the quality of the sound is very close to the lavalier, so the transmitter itself is a pretty good option. On the receiver, you have battery level indicator, pairing indicator, recording and mute indicator, of course the power switch, the built-in microphone that you can use for vlogging or interview, and a recording pairing button. You also have a hole for resetting, charging points, back clip, a 3.5mm audio input, a Type-C port to recharge, and SD card slot if you want to record internally. The system comes with two microphones, two USB to Type-C data cables, two furry windscreens, a storage bag, and two 3.5mm cables, one for TRS to TRRS and one to TRS to TRS. So this was a quick hands-on video on the new Godox Virso SM2. This, I think, is a great option for Sony shooter. If you have any question, please leave it below, subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time.